I'm on my balcony, and this is 100-mile-an-hour wind gust. Oh, not on the balcony, out the front door. Whoa.